students, today we are going to start the chapter number 12, that is a parallel line. So let's see what is a parallel line. In our previous chapter we have already discussed about the lines, line segment and ray. So look it here, what's a parallel line? Two lines in a plane which do not meet when produced indefinitely in either direction is known as parallel lines. Suppose these are the two lines when we extend it indefinitely from the both side and which will not meet ever with each other. Okay, so these are the examples of parallel line. Like जैसे हमारे पास ब्लैक बोर्ड है, अगर हम उसके ऊपर वाली लाइन देखें और नीचे, ये आपस में कभी मीट तो नहीं करती, हम जितना मर्जी इन्हें एक्सटेंड करते रहें, always it will be parallel to with each other. ये it is a scale. These lines are parallel to each other and the distance between them is equal. Okay, similarly the railway track, जो हमारे पास ये डिस्टेंस होता है रेलवे ट्रैक के बीच में, क्या होता है, पैरेलल होता है, और उनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होगा दैट इज विल बी द इक्वल. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइन. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू पैरेलल लाइन इज द सेम थ्रू आउट, यानी कि जो हमारे पास ये सारे सभी में क्या रहेगा, सेम रहेगा, इट विल नॉट बी चेंज. ओके, देन इट इज let's see about the parallel segments and parallel rays. These are the parallel segment in which both are the ending points. Okay, so these lines are parallel segments and these are the rays because one is the end point and other is extend from indefinitely, यानी कि इसको हम कहीं तक भी extend कर सकते हैं. So these is the parallel rays. Now in this question you have to name the parallel edges. So which are the parallel edges? AB parallel CD, that means AB comma DC, these are the parallel edges. One is this side BC and AD. Okay, identify the parallel line segments in this given figure. जैसे हमारे पास इसमें हमने क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, जो parallel line है और जिनके बीच में डिस्टेंस इक्वल होगा. देखो ये DE और BC, these are the parallel lines, so you have to write DE. This is the symbol of parallel, DE parallel BC. Similarly in this one, which lines are parallel? RS parallel PM, QP parallel SL, RQ parallel LM. So these are the parallel lines. The next question, do line segments AB and CD intersect? Are they parallel? Give reason. No, these line segments cannot intersect. Are they parallel? No. Corresponding lines will intersect when produced in one direction. एक अब हमारे पास intersect करेंगी जब हम इन्हें ऐसे एक direction में extend करेंगे, then they will meet at a point. You have to do question number 1 and 2, question number 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no need to do the question number 7. Okay, and after that you have to do the question number 8. This is your homework.